distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I rise to present to you a man, like I said, who I believe is creditably reliable, and by providence of his hard work, he has been able to take to his credit 78 legislative bills, out of which 20 bills have been accented by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
I rise to humbly accept the nomination as led by
I vote Honorable TJ Abass.
He said that he will do all the good he can to all the people he can, at all the time he can, in all the places he can, to all the members he can, and every inch of the time. He is prepared to complement the good efforts of our Right Honorable Speaker, 10th Assembly, Right Honorable TJ Abass, Iyazazao. I rise to nominate Benjamin Okeze Kalu as the Deputy Speaker of the 10th National Assembly.
The Clerk of the National Assembly, the Deputy Clerk of the National Assembly, all former presiding and principal officers of the previous assemblies, my honorable colleagues, by Honorable Jimmy Benson and ably seconded by Honorable Khadija. I so accept.